Hey y'all, what is up? Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I am going to talk to you a little bit about the Dollar Tree. Actually, I'm going to show you more than I'm going to talk to you. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got a couple of things for home decor, but I'm kind of in this transition where I'll be moving probably in the next 6 months, and I really don't want to add more stuff to the stuff I have to move. But I was pretty impressed and super shocked with the kind of stuff that I found at the Dollar Tree that you might actually find for yourself or for your kids, and also for the season for decor. Totally blew me away for what they have there for the fall decor as well as Halloween, and then some crafts. So I just want to take you along. First off, let's talk about the seasonal decor for the fall time. Y'all, I absolutely love these. Look at these and how cute they are. This sign that says pumpkin is the spice of life, I love because it's got that glitter, and I love those fall colors. You can hang these on your front door. You can hang them. I hang some of these on my little light switches on the inside of my house. Look at these scarecrows. They're so cute. These bells, you can hang these on the doorknobs just to give it a little bit of sound. Super cute. Glasses with the pumpkins on them. They both have the tall glasses and the tumblers. These have leaves on them. While we're on the topic of holiday decor, the Halloween stuff also blew me away. They have super cute things that you can easily use every Halloween if you want, but they're so inexpensive. Everything there was $1. If you didn't want to keep it, it wouldn't cost you a fortune. These solar lights are so cute. Look, they're pumpkins and the eyes light up. They are so cute. You could put these all on your yard. You see there's a white skull and a cat. I love my cats. So these are super cute. For $1 to have the solar lights, not bad. Here are all the Halloween items. You've got a ton of decor that you can do for parties. There's candy you can give out. Look at this. You even have these ghosts that you can hang. I see a lot of people hang these from their trees outside. It's so scary, but it's really lightweight material. It'll flow in the wind real nicely. But you've got spider webs you can put on your door or put them in your bushes. I mean, there's so much you can do. And if you don't have a lot of money, it is amazing how much you can do with this. These little ghosts are really neat because they have little feet at the bottom, kind of like it's a ghost witch maybe, but super cute. And those flow pretty neat. And these are massive eyes. There's two in one, and this one, the little eyeball moves just like the googly eyes do. So that's pretty cool. Not sure where you'd put it, but it's pretty neat. And this is a hand that you stake into the ground, and the hand glows in the dark. So you could put a couple of those in your grass. These are massive spiders. They kind of creep me out, but all of these are just little things that you could put in gift bags for parties or use them as decor if you want to. These are like different streamers you can use, or garland, and these are like those RIP signs you can put in your yard. So you can see there's just so many different options. There's no way you would run out of ideas. This one's cute. It's kind of made out of felt, and you can move the hands and the feet and the knees however you want to. It's not real good quality, but just for the season, pretty cool. These are really cool. Look at this. It's kind of like a raised embossed type hand that's a skeleton, and these are for shot glasses. What would you use that for? Same thing with the skeleton hands. Just little bitty sippy cup type things for kids. I spotted these. They are like tongs for a salad. It's pretty neat. And these are little skirts that kids can use for like little kids for Halloween. They can be a bumblebee or they can be a ladybug. It's pretty cute. The next thing that I came across that I thought was super cool were the crafts. They have these natural bare wood boxes. They're pretty thin, but you can use them to decorate. Here's like a little bitty tray. You can put pencils in these. This one is a turtle that has a LED light on the back of it. So you can decorate these however you want with paint or stickers or whatever you want. So I thought they were pretty neat. So many ideas for if you're bored to do a craft or to keep your kids busy. Definitely an inexpensive way of getting that done. Here's just a look at some of the other designs that they have. And this dinosaur also has an LED light, so they do have a variety of different ones. And I think every Dollar Tree will be different, but it's pretty cool to see what they have. Y'all check out all of these varieties of paints, different sizes and colors. You can use these to paint that bare wood. You can use these for canvas or anything you wanted. These are really neat. These are little bling sticker things. I've seen people use these like on votive candles. They put them on their cell phone. You can use this glitter ribbon for a door wreath. And I thought these succulents were kind of neat. Some of them are obviously fake, but they're super lightweight. This one is real full and kind of neat. I like the colors on this one. Now you can add these as little accents to your decor. And again, they're only $1. I love these white rocks. I actually rinse these off really good, and then I put them in the bottom of a glass container, and then I put a candle in it. It's pretty neat. And I'm near the coast, so this is pretty neat. You can use all of these different shells for decor. You can make a wreath with that as well. Some people just put them in a bowl for decor. They have a lot of neat stuff in the candle section. These you can put little votive candles in and put little wax melts at the top to melt it. And I love this orange. I like that they put some of these fall colors in there. And this gold and blue is so pretty to me. Again, everything here is $1. Sometimes some things are 2 for $1. This glitter you can use for crafts. Pretty cool. A lot of different colors: blue, green, purple, red. That's like a crafter's dream. They even have glue sticks with glitter in it. So crazy, but cool. These separate plastic containers for glitter or screws, a bunch of different washi tape. I remember washi tape was super popular with crafters. I don't know how much it is so now, but they seem to have quite a bit, and for $1, you can't really beat that. I don't know how much fabric this is, but there's fabric and felt for different projects. Here's some glitter paint or glitter glue, I guess is what it is. Different colors, so that's pretty neat. But I don't think it's puff paint, but still pretty neat. Here you can put your paints on that palette. Tacky glue, they have Mod Podge. These are all things that you can use for crafting. Now with the crafts, if you wanted to do some of these stickers or appliques, you could. You can see they have stencils, which is also pretty neat because these, I know at the craft store are like $5 a stencil. These are only $1. Look at all of these stickers. Ones like these might be kind of cute on your face. Not sure if that's a hazard or not, but anyway, it's cute. These butterflies, they're raised, so it's like 3-dimensional and iridescent. Super neat. I like these. I cannot believe the amount of stickers, and my nieces loved these stickers. These are more of those bling things that you can use in your decor, like I said, around those votive candle holders. Also, not just for like school time, but for your office or just personal use. They have all of those pens and markers that you can use, along with these bags to hold your pencils in. They have folders. Their office/school supply section is pretty awesome, and they do have a lot of name brands. They have folders for kids like the Star Wars. They have these floral ones for a little bit more mature. They have those dividers and 3 reminders that are plastic. But yeah, these are just amazing, like how many different pens. Look, Jot is a good brand. There's Crayola brand. So they don't all have no name brand items at the Dollar Tree. So if you're ever out of a pen, pencil, or highlighter or marker, or those sticky pads or notepads, look, there's just so many of them. In the automotive section, I was really surprised to find this Goo Gone. As a reseller, this is good to get all that sticky stuff off and the stickers that they put for pricing. They have a lot of stuff you can use, like here for your furniture, some stuff to ward off mosquitoes. I'm really surprised to see all of the super glue brand and the different products they have. So it's pretty cool to see that it's not all generic stuff. You could probably resell some of these. Now, of course, I had to go down the beauty aisle, and I was attracted to the nail polish, of course. I really love this purple glitter. They have clear polish, they have silver glitter, so many different kinds of glitter polish. Most of these are LA Color brand, I believe. I've used this brand before and it's got good coverage and I think the quality is pretty good. Look at they have the bright colors you can use, and these blues and pinks, they're really good for summer colors. So we're kind of leaving the summer going into the fall, but you can see they have nice rich colors for the holiday season as well. None of these are gel polish. Some might be like gel like, but they do have good coverage, so that's good. And this chunky glitter is super awesome and festive. They also have everything you need to kind of do your nails. So here's like nail files, nail clippers. They have little kits that you can use to push back your cuticles. So everything and anything you need for nails. They also have makeup, but you can see here's eyelashes, there's eyeliner. These are good for removing your nail polish. They're little cotton pads. They also have cotton balls. Every Dollar Tree is different. So if you go to see what yours has, let me know in the comments below what you found or what you saw in this video that you liked the best. I always go there when I need bags for gift bags or tissue paper for my packing, my items that are like a little more fragile that I want to present better. Thanks for watching this video. If you do like this kind of video of what I found at the Dollar Tree, let me know that as well. And if you want to, here's a subscribe icon. And if you'd like to see the hauls of the items that I buy to resell for a profit, you can see that playlist here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.